Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the most anticipated drone release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With rumors swirling and leaked images fueling excitement, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to DJI's impressive lineup of drones. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a curious beginner, this next-generation drone promises features and upgrades that cater to all. Let's explore the leaked details, expected features, potential release date, and price point of this much-talked-about device. Setting the stage, why the DJI Mini series continues to shine. DJI's Mini series has carved out a niche as the go-to option for portable, lightweight drones capable of delivering professional-quality images and videos. The Mini 5 Pro has big shoes to fill, following the successful Mini 4 Pro. What keeps the Mini series relevant is its compact design, ease of use, and accessibility. We'll discuss how the Mini 5 Pro could retain these traits while offering significant improvements. Expected features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. A larger sensor for superior image quality. The buzz around a possible 1-inch sensor upgrade for the Mini 5 Pro has many drone enthusiasts excited. This would be a notable leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor means better light capture, sharper details, and superior performance in low-light conditions. Perfect for capturing breathtaking sunsets or evening cityscapes. While some hope for a resolution bump, DJI's focus seems to be on improving dynamic range and clarity. AI-powered tracking features. One of the standout features expected in the Mini 5 Pro is enhanced AI tracking. This improvement could enable the drone to follow fast-moving subjects, such as cars or cyclists, with greater precision. Whether you're capturing high-speed action or smooth cinematic shots, advanced tracking will elevate the Mini 5 Pro's usability. 5G connectivity for real-time performance. The inclusion of 5G connectivity is another rumored upgrade. This would enhance live transmission quality, enabling smoother, high-resolution feeds. Such a feature would benefit professional users, allowing them to push the boundaries of remote piloting and real-time video sharing. Flight-time improvements. The current Mini 4 Pro already offers an impressive 40-minute flight time. Maintaining or slightly improving this figure without exceeding the sub-250G weight class will be a challenge, but one that DJI is likely to meet. Expect optimized battery performance without compromising the drone's portability. The challenges of staying under 250G. A significant selling point for the Mini series is its sub-250G weight, which exempts it from FAA registration requirements in the US. However, this restriction limits the upgrades DJI can implement. Larger sensors or bigger batteries could push the weight beyond this critical threshold. Despite these challenges, DJI is expected to deliver meaningful enhancements within the weight limit, maintaining the series' reputation for convenience and compliance. Potential release date and pricing. DJI has a consistent annual release cycle for its Mini series. Given that the Mini 4 Pro launched about a year after the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro is likely to debut in November. This timeline aligns with DJI's strategy of allowing sufficient development and testing time. As for pricing, the Mini 5 Pro could see a slight increase over its predecessor due to the anticipated upgrades. The Mini 4 Pro's starting price was around $759, so the Mini 5 Pro might start at approximately $799, depending on the features included. Additional upgrades and possibilities. Obstacle avoidance technology. Enhanced obstacle avoidance systems are becoming standard in high-quality drones. The Mini 5 Pro could feature an upgraded 360-degree obstacle detection system, making it safer and more intuitive to navigate complex environments. Portability and design refinements. While the Mini series' foldable design is already a hallmark feature, DJI may introduce minor tweaks to improve portability further. Expect a slightly sleeker profile or improved materials for enhanced durability. A look ahead, what this means for DJI enthusiasts. The Mini 5 Pro is not just about incremental upgrades, it's about refining the user experience. Whether it's the improved camera, advanced AI tracking, or enhanced connectivity, each feature aims to make aerial photography more accessible and enjoyable. This drone will likely appeal to a broad audience, from beginners to professionals seeking a lightweight, feature-packed device. Your thoughts matter. What features are you most excited about in the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Do you think the rumored upgrades are worth the wait? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest updates on DJI's releases and other tech news. Bonus: speculations on the DJI Air 4. While we're discussing DJI's innovations, it's worth mentioning the growing buzz around the DJI Air 4. With leaked images and rumors circulating, this drone could feature larger camera sensors, dual 1-inch sensors for improved low-light performance, mechanical shutter, ideal for aerial mapping and reducing distortion in fast-moving scenes, variable aperture, greater control for cinematic photography, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, enhanced safety and navigation, extended flight time, potentially exceeding the Air 3's 46-minute duration. The Air 4's release is speculated for late this year, with a price range similar to the Air 3's $1,099 starting point. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into what could be DJI's next game-changing drone. Thank you for joining us on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest updates on drones, gadgets, and tech innovations.